Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can access your Snapchat gallery. Now Snapchat gallery is basically any snap that you took. For example, if I do this and I take up the snap and I click on save, if you click, as you can see, if you click on save, it's going to be saved on your Snapchat or on your gallery, on your both, or on both, depending on which setting you're using. So how you can access it is basically the easiest thing that you can do. You launch up Snapchat and you swipe up. And as you can see, you access to your Snapchat gallery. As you can see, the snap that I just took right now is saved on my Snapchat gallery. It has all the snaps that you took. If you keep scrolling, you can find all the snaps and stuff. You can actually access your camera roll also from here and send photos from your camera roll like as a chat to your friends, not as a normal snap because you need to be careful about that. You can access your stories that you made, your archive stories, or you can access your My Eyes Only, which are basically the place where you can lock all the photos that you don't want anyone to access. So yeah, that was basically how you can access your Snapchat gallery. And if you want to go back out, you can just swipe down. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.